Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about one of the most versatile and widely used indicator day trading, the moving average. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use your moving average can significantly enhance your trading strategy. So by the end of this video, you would learn not only the basics of the moving average, but also a step-by-step strategy to apply to apply to your day trading routine. So why not stick around until the end to discover how you can leverage the moving average to improve your trading performance and make more informed decisions in the market. Now, what is the moving average concept? The moving average is a technical indicator that helps smoothing out price fluctuation by averaging price of a security over a specific period. Now, this tool is essential for identifying trends and providing support or resistance levels in trading. The types of moving average are just two main types. One is the simple moving average, which is the SMA, the moving average simple, and the second one is the moving average exponential. The simple moving average gives equal weight to all price in the calculation period, while the EMA places more emphasis on recent prices, making it more responsive to recent market movements. Now, when using the moving average, you just need to choose the right period. The length of the moving average you choose depends on the trading strategy. The shortened period such as the 10 period moving average are more sensitive to price changes and can be used to identify short-term trends, while the longer period such as the 50 period moving average provide a broader view of the trend. If you are using the 50 period moving average, it gives us a broader view of the trend. This yellow line gives us a broader view of the trend in the market and can help filter out noises. Now let's see how we can apply the trading strategy using our moving average in the day trading strategy. The first step would be to analyze the higher time frame. By analyzing the higher time frame such as the daily charts, we'll go to our daily time frame to get a better understanding. We would have to analyze it. It will help us to identify the overall market context. And as you can see at this area in the market, you can see that we are trending to the upside in this direction. Even if it was squeezing, you can see that we are trending to the upside in the market. The second step would be to set up your moving averages. Setting up your moving average, you typically use your 15-minute chart. When you go to your 15-minute chart, you plot three moving average. The three moving average you are plotting would be the first moving average you'll be plotting would be your 10 period EMA. We're going to use the exponential moving average. This is our 10 period EMA. This is it. 10 period. Look at the length would be the 10 period moving average. You also plot the 20 period EMA and the 50 period EMA. This will help us identify short-term trends and long-term trends, the 20 period and the 50 period EMA. So the three charts are on our screen, making it easier for us to spot the long-term opportunities and the short-term opportunities. Now, the third step would be to identify our signals. A buy signal occurs when the 10 period EMA crosses above the 20 period EMA and both are above the 50 period EMA. Now, let me recap. The 50 period EMA would be this yellow line. The yellow line is the 50 period moving average. The 10 period moving average is the blue line, while the 20 period moving average is the red line. The 10 period moving average is the blue line, the 20 period moving average is the red line, while the 50 period moving average is the yellow line. Now for a buying signal to occur, we would have to see our 10 period moving average, which is this blue line, crossing above the 20 period moving average or crossing above the 50 period moving average. When it crosses above both of them, it means that we are looking for a buy signal. Conversely, a selling signal will be generated when the 10 period EMA, that's when the blue line crosses below the 20 period EMA and both are below the 50 period EMA. And as you can see at this area, both the 10 and the 20 period are both below the yellow line, the 50 period moving average. So this is a selling opportunity. So this would have been a very good opportunity for us to enter a short trade at this area. While here would have been a perfect opportunity for us to enter a long trade at this area in market. Now we have to manage our trade by placing stop loss, which is our fourth step, managing our risks. We place our stop loss just below the 20 period moving average. The 20 period moving average will be the red line. So just below the red line, this will be for a buy trade, we will put it just below the red line. While for a selling trade, we put it just above the red line, which is the 20 period moving average. You can adjust, customize this color according to however you want it to be. But the red line here is my 20 period moving average. My blue line is my 10 period, while my yellow line is my 50 period moving average. So this is how we set our stop loss. This will help us limit potential losses if the trade doesn't move in our intended direction. Now the fifth step will be to monitor and adjust your trade continuously. So you continuously monitor your trade and adjust your strategy as needed. Once the market condition changes, such as during high volatility or economic announcement, consider adjusting the period of your moving average or tightening your stop loss levels to avoid spikes in the market and to accommodate any external market behavior. All right, traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. Now, if you have found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.